this space. I'm so happy. Look, I'm excited. My own little workspace finally. Shit. Hey y'all, welcome to From Keeks headquarters, aka my sweet space. Okay y'all, so y'all gotta bear with me because I'm doing this by myself. Let's start right here. Okay, so we're gonna start with pretty much everyone's favorite part of the room. It's also my personal fave. So this wall right here is to the left, and this is kind of like the first thing you see when you walk into my space. There's just my From Keeks sign. I got this sign off Alibaba. I was able to reach out to a vendor and have them customize it for me. So thank you so much, Christine, for bringing my vision to life. I really love this sign. The cool thing about this sign, you're able to adjust different modes, different speeds, and I didn't know it come with this many modes and stuff. For example, I'm able to adjust how bright or how dim I want it to be. So right now that's at 10%, this is 50%, and that's at 100%. And then there's also different modes where the light starts to blink and stuff like that. It's really cool. I didn't know it was gonna come with all of that. So I love everything about this. Again, thank you, Christine. I will be sure to include her information for you guys so that you guys can check them out. Directly to the right of that is something that you also see when you first walk into my room, and this is my display case. I got this shelf from Target. It was pretty easy to assemble. Fairly easy to assemble. Hold on, y'all. That's Tiffany right there. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's Tiffany. And then on the shelf, I have a lot of products, and I am fully stocked, you guys. So if you do plan to shop From Keeks, feel free to do so. You can check out my website to see everything that I have in stock, but I do know I have all of my adhesive in stock. I have my adhesive in stock, I have my primer, and I also have my remover, my wig bands, my shampoo and conditioner, and then my bonnets and everything will be on the way. I'm thinking about getting another one so that I can separate the two. So this one would be just for my hair products and everything, and then my other shelf will be for my actual boutique items. And then right here, this is a portable, what do you call it? A portable hair dryer. I don't have the big one, and I'm kind of glad because the space that I'm in is fairly, like, it's an average room, so I don't really have that much space, and I don't want to take up too much space, so I'm glad I decided to keep this. This is one of my blow dry mannequin heads. It's just some random stuff right here. Some wet cloths for my Swiffer, and then I have some garbage bags and stuff going on, collecting trash and everything. Let me show you guys what's in this little futon thingy. And this is just the box that I have to do something with, so it's there. So this futon has a lot of my products. The products that didn't fit on this shelf right here are in here. So a lot of my hair products in here, but it also has a lot of my packaging items, my thank you bags. And you know, I just understocked some stuff right here. It came in handy, and it's just a lot of packaging and stuff like that, like I said. So let me put this back, and then, so that's that area. Now immediately to the right, you have my desk, my working area. I'm right here like 24/7. I'm always right here. So I have this calendar that I got from Target, and then I also have a weekly calendar because I'm at the point in my life where I have to write every fucking thing down or I'm gonna forget it. So that's that. On my desk, let me just turn my ring light for you guys. On my desk, I have my Singer sewing machine. I got this from, I want to say I got this from Michael's or Joann, but this is my bestie. Like, I love this machine so much. It's so easy to maneuver and work with, and it makes me a lot of money, so Bay for life. I got a speaker. This is my mama's speaker. It's not even supposed to be here, but I took it, so oh well, sorry mom. By the way, I will be hosting some wig making classes in the city soon, so just make sure you're following my business page and also my personal page because I do a lot of promo on there. But yeah, if you're interested in learning how to do machine made wigs, stay tuned for that. I'm also gonna be offering virtual classes as well. I'm getting that together as well, so yeah, stay tuned for it. Then I have this little mirror. Damn, it's dirty. But yeah, I got this mirror, and this mirror I like to use when I'm actually filming YouTube videos. Like, I will set it up and then I'll put my ring lights and everything that I need, and I'll film that way as opposed to using my big mirror that you guys will see in a minute. Then I have this cold cup. I got this from a friend who's local here, but she also ships everywhere, so make sure you guys check out Jordan Collections. It's so cute. She put my name on there, and then, you know, just a regular cup. I have a lot of drinks over here, so don't mind that. That right there is just like my makeup stuff. And then I have this little sign. I'm thinking about putting up a lot. Like, I'm thinking about putting more, like, you know, signs and little quotes and stuff around here. One quote I like to go by is quality looks good on you, and I kind of want to put it like right across this wall or like right underneath the From Keek sign, because that's kind of what my brand is about. I'm all about giving you quality. So yeah, I'm thinking about putting that up somewhere, but I like to have like little reminders and stuff. For example, I have this, I see this every single day. Here, let me zoom in. I have this reminder like every single day. This is from a friend. When I had my business shower, she gave me a gift, but she also left me a little note, and I really liked it. So I'm gonna always remember this, and I'm gonna get a copy of it because now it's tearing. But yeah, that is that. And then this is my label printer that I have yet to set up. So somebody order something from me that's not in the city so I can send you something and I can put this to use. Right here, I have an Aromatherapy candle burning. This is the jasmine scent. This is also from Jordan Collections. Like I said, this room, I'm in here all the time, so I'm all about having a very relaxed and, you know, great feeling and stuff like that. So I like to have the scents going. I like to, you know, sage every now and again and stuff like that. Moving down here, this desk is kind of cute. The only thing I wish this desk had was like a drawer on this side or something, because I have a lot of stuff and didn't realize that I had a lot of stuff that was gonna go into the desk. So I'm probably gonna get something to go in this area, like an organization desk or drawer or some shit like that. But yeah, right here is my makeup case, because not only do I do hair, but I also do makeup every now and again, and I take clients sometimes. And this is also a planner. I got both of these from Makaya, and if you watch my channel, you know who Makaya is. Shout out to Makaya, that's my favorite. She's the reason I'm able to actually have a space. This is like her entire suite, and she's renting our rooms, and I was, you know, fortunate enough to get one. So shout out to Makaya, thank you, baby. She came to my business shower and she gave me this, and also the dream plaque. And this is definitely needed, because sometimes we forget in life, like we forget about all of the small things because we're so focused on a bigger picture. But it's always good to take a step back and just think about how far you came and stuff like that. So I have been getting into the habit of writing in here almost every single day and everything like that. So yeah, back to this. This is my makeup case, and then behind the makeup case I have my scale. I don't know what's underneath there, and then there's just also some more makeup. And then down here I have some more packaging stuff. This is some bubble wrap. And then back there I have some bleaching stuff. It's so random, but oh well. I made it to the tubo. Alright, so after you leave my desk, immediately after you leave my desk, to the right of that, hold on, let me show you guys. To the right of that, we have this big ass body mirror. I look cute. Let me push this back some. We have this big body mirror. I got this from Amazon, and I love this mirror. You're able to mount it and everything, but being that I like to move around in here and I like to get different angles and stuff, I just keep it like it is against the wall. It's not mounted, but I am able to. It was from Amazon. It was like, well, $150 or something, but I love this mirror. I love it. I'm gonna link everything that I'm saying, you guys, below. Everything that I told you where I got the stuff, I'm gonna try to link everything. So I got y'all, don't worry. To the right of that, there's this little stand. Look at my phone from there. There's this stand, and I like to use this when I'm like doing my hair and stuff, when I'm doing makeup. It's just It's just a little stand that I had at home, and I brought it here because I knew it would come in handy. That's my rinky dink ass blow dryer. This shit, I love the blow dryer though. That's why it's been with me for a long time. And then I have this fan, y'all. I think I got this from Walmart too. Yeah, I did get this from Walmart. One thing I love about this fan is that it comes with a clip, so you're able to clip it to wherever you need it to go. And that comes in handy because it gets cold in here. It gets like super duper cold in here. And me, I'm borderline anemic. It could be a little breeze and I'm gonna be freezing in this bitch. And then the entire suite is controlled by, you know, central air. So I like, when I'm here, I like to cut it off, but sometimes it gets hot because, you know, we're in contained space and I'm using like hot tools and shit like that. That's what the fan is for. I like for it to, you know, help me out. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, now this ring light right here, I got this ring light from Favpackage. I got this ring light from Favpackage. And one thing I really like about this ring light is the fact that there are a lot of controls on here. So if you look at the back of the ring light, there's hella controls. And then there's a warm light on here. There's a cool light, a daylight, and stuff like that. Most ring lights don't come like that. They come with the little orange things like this that I have on here, and it's actually supposed to be on that ring light over there, but this is it already has like the built-in warm lights, if you can see. As you can see, it has a built-in warm light, so I really like that. It comes in handy. And then you're just able to control how high or low you want your lights. You can dim it if you want to. I kind of fucked up the knob right here. But yeah, it's a pretty cool ring light. I'll link them as well, and I also have a discount code for you guys that you can use. I'll be sure to link that. Right here is my Swiffer, because baby, I be dealing with hair all the time, and I like to go through with my little Swiffer mop and pick up everything that the broom didn't catch. So yeah, this is my little selfie stand. I like to take a lot of my pictures with that. I already planned on making a video on how I take my pictures myself, so give me a thumbs up if you guys still want to see that. And then to the right of here, let me just talk about this ring light. I got it from Amazon. This is the Neewer ring light, and you're able to dim it and everything. It don't have that many controls as this one has on the left side, but it's good. And then the last part of my room that I want to show you guys is this accent wall. It's so, let me tell y'all. Let me actually come stand right here, actually. So this is my accent wall. And I definitely knew I wanted to have an accent wall because, like I said, I want to be taking clients and stuff like that. And I just feel like everybody has an accent wall. But I didn't want to do, you know, the traditional, not the traditional, but it's like very common for you guys to see like, you know, the grass walls and stuff like that. I didn't want to do that. I kind of wanted an accent wall that really mimics like my brand and what I'm going for. And I feel like marble, when you have marble anything, it gives off like a luxury and quality vibe. So that's why I opted to get the marble wall. But let me tell y'all how this shit made me cry all motherfucking night. This wallpaper is from Amazon. I'm gonna make sure I link it. But y'all, I didn't know it would be like super hard to freaking put wallpaper on the freaking wall. Mind you, I'm one person, so I'm in this bitch sweating, arms hurting, trying to make sure everything is smooth and stuff, and it still didn't come out smooth, but it's okay because it's marble material, and I really didn't care for it. So I mean, I really didn't care that I got bubbles and shit. It still looks good. But as you guys can see, I did have a hard time. I didn't even finish it, y'all. Look, y'all see that little part right there? You can still see the blue from the previous wall, and I also didn't finish this part right here, so yeah, I still have to work on that. And as you guys can see, I have a very open room. It's kind of like loft style. It's super open at the top, like it's not contained. There is no ceiling for real, there's an open ceiling. And I kind of love that actually, because when I'm in here and I'm talking, I can hear like my sweet mates and stuff, and we just be yelling across to each other and just talking, you know, having a good time. And it's very cool. So that's pretty much my entire room. Let me do one more, you know, spin around for you guys, and I'll wrap this video up. Yeah, that's about it, you guys. Let me know how you like my sweet space. It's very perfect. Like, I just think it's perfect. It's the right amount of space. Of course, they're gonna expand, but you start somewhere, and I just feel like this, I started off on a good start. Like, this is like the perfect space for me. I just love being here. I'm always here like damn near 24/7, 365. So I had to make sure this room was, you know, ideal. It was the way I wanted it to be. And yeah, I really do love it here. I really do. I genuinely love it here. I'm gonna be sad when I leave. I really am gonna be sad because I love my sweet mates as well. We always have a good time here. And this is just a vibe. So if you guys are interested in receiving services from me, you're in the Chicago area, feel free to reach out to me. Follow me on Instagram. You will see all of my booking links as well as my services that I offer. If you plan to shop any of my items, whether it be my hair care, wig line products, or my actual boutique items, you can head over to From Keeks Boutique. You'll see everything that I have stocked and ready to ship and stuff like that. I also do have local pickup, so just make sure you know you stop by and all that stuff. But yes, I'm like so proud. I had so much fun putting this room together. Like, the process was fun. Just seeing my vision come to life, it was just crazy. We put in a lot of work. Me and my cousin painted these walls pink. We had a lot of fun doing that. It was such a good feeling and a good process, seeing it come together and putting it together and then finally seeing it for what it is. And it was just like, damn. Like, I really cried a little bit. I really am living in the moment that I just been, you know, wishing for. And it's just like, I love it here. This is my baby. I'm so proud. I'm so excited to be here. And I'm just grateful as hell. Like, I'm very grateful. Like, I love this. I love this space. I love being here. I can't even say that enough. And yeah, I'm gonna be very sad when I leave because of course everyone has to expand. But this is like such a great start, and I just really love it here. But yeah, that's pretty much my sweet space. I'm just very grateful to have this opportunity to be in this space. And I do not take it for granted at all. I always try to be in here and I try to be productive and stuff like that. But yeah, I just love being here. I just like my safe space, my little escape. You guys will see more videos of me in this space. I'm trying to push out more like entrepreneur vlogs and stuff like that. So you guys will see like behind the scenes and stuff like that. I'm working on it. I am posting this video. This is like motivation and inspiration for those of you who are looking to get your own suite. Shout out to everyone who are on their journey. I wish you guys the best. If you guys think I should add anything to my sweet space, then let me know. Leave me a comment. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications. As always, I'll see you guys in my next